everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Give Me Five. We have one of the OGs of open source software himself, Travis Oliphant, in the house. Travis, can you give me five? Thank you for giving me five. For those that know and for those that don't, here's a refresher. Travis, he's CEO and founder of Open Teams. He's also chair and founder of Quonsite, and is also founder of Anaconda, NumFOCUS, and PyData, and is a creator of NumPy, SciPy, and Numba. So the man who needs no introduction. I Again, honored to have you here. And first question off the bat, I'd be very keen to hear more about your journey to open source software and why this space matters to you.
Oh, thank you, MK. It is a pleasure to be here. I love what you're doing. Happy to talk about my journey to open source. It really started with Linux and an interest in kind of taking control of my own systems. I'd been a fan of computing for a long time, and even early participated in what's called shareware, where I had to go to the library and download lots of disks. I had to bring home it was a logistics problem. I had to bring all these disks and install them in my computer. So when I was in graduate school as a student, had some time, I started to use Linux because I wanted control of my hardware. And then I had lots of things I was trying to solve. And when you're a grad student, you're scrappy, you just kind of pull things together. And the internet let me connect with others and find those things. So I became a Linux user. Then my problem I was solving was a science problem. I was dealing with large sets of data, MRI, ultrasound data, trying to make sense of those data. And I needed tools to do that, and I wanted to be able to share those tools with others that were open source. So I encountered Python. I did a search, tools that let you build, scientific code, came up with a lot of things. Python, found it, started settling on it, really started to like it. It fit my head. And then I started to give back. And the very first thing I gave back was a I/O, input-output file format, just trying to get data in. So I really, that was my journey, is from something I needed, solve a problem I had, and then share with others, and then that engagement with others encouraging me to share more.
What are you currently building, and how can the NumFOCUS and PyData communities help you, support you?
I love that question. It might take a long time to go into detail, but I'll give a very high outline, because I am currently building what I call the distributed AI economy. It's come from my past of supporting open source, supporting business, and realizing we're in this moment of an AI transformation, and a moment that can serve all of us or serve a few of us. And I'm really eager to see people lean into the open source ethos that led to AI as it is today and create this economy together. And I do that in three ways. I've got a company, Open Teams, that's building a distributed AI marketplace in a way for people to buy and sell in that marketplace and build on open source. I'm building a venture fund and incubator so that I can encourage more entrepreneurs and other people to start businesses that serve in that economy and collect capital, bring capital, help it deploy into the places where it'll have the biggest impact in serving us. And then finally, there's a nonprofit we've started called the Applied AI Society that's about upskilling, training, building connections, building community around using AI to serve locally and to ensure that the AI stays that your data stays in control of you, and that from there, the AI, the intelligence, the accountable intelligence stays connected. So that's what I'm building today. It's a kind of a summer. I'm still supporting open source, still encouraging love. We have Quonsite that's delivering on a lab that's supporting NumPy, SciPy, and the PyData ecosystem and more. But this is kind of where my focus has emerged, in building a world where AI serves us all.
Amazing. Amazing. You heard it here, folks. The Travis Oliphant himself on Give Me Five. Thank you for your time, sir. And one more time, can you give me five?
Boom.
Boom.
Thank you, MK.
Thank you.
Gimme 5 is a NumFOCUS production. Support open source software today by donating at numfocus.org.